Good morning, friends. This is Farmer Samir Borle once again from Spredeni Food, Forest and Farm Learning Center. Today, I'm going to show you something very interesting. That is how we make compost without water and without cow dung or animal manure. Whenever we make compost, we need animal manure, cow dung and a compost heap of this size which we have made today. It is around 3 feet by 7 feet. So this needs lots of water. But when I create my food forest, so water is something which we have to think about. Water budgeting in every activity is important. Plus, in this hill, I cannot keep in the food forest, I cannot keep cows or animals because this is a model of coexistence. I have, if I keep my cows here, they might be prey to leopards which we have in the food forest. Today morning only we saw lots of local wild chicken moving around in the food forest. So we have the topsoil. The topsoil, I'm talking about this beautiful topsoil with earthworm castings and all the wild animals which roam around, even they litter. So we collect the topsoil and then we replace the cow dung or animal manure in place of the topsoil. And I was talking about the water budgeting and how we can make it without use of too much of water. So if you see this heap, we have started making this at 5:30 a.m. in the morning because all my dry and my green, all the resources which I use to make compost are wet. Even the topsoil, you look at this topsoil, it is wet. This dry part is wet, green part is wet. So how do I make this? So I'll just show you a simple way of making it. First we collect some twigs like this. We make an area like this. Size is 3 feet wide and around 7 to 8 feet long. So first we just simple plow the place where we want to make the compost heap. Then we take this kind of twigs and we put a layer of twigs down there, so that there is aeration on the whole heap after we cover it. Then after the twigs, we put this green. We have lots of green. We don't need weedicides. We just have to collect the green unwanted plants which are succulent also. And we also have to crop compost crop. For composting nitrogen fixing crops, we can just farm it in our food forest on the borders. And we can use that green. Then we have those grasses which we have removed and the dry leaves which have fallen from the, like for example, you get this kind of dry leaves. So these dry leaves we collect and we put another layer of dry leaves. Green, the twigs, dry twigs, then the green, then the dry leaves which will balance the carbon and nitrogen ratio. And then in place of cow dung or any animal manure, as because we don't have it in the food forest, we use this topsoil which is full of microbes and nutrients. And this is also mixed with natural earthworm castings, and we also have some termite hill soils. Then we have the leaf which have fallen down has become into compost, so it's full of humus. And we put this layer like whole the team is doing now. And after this, we will cover this up by mud plastering, or if we don't have water for mud plastering, then we can use this the grasses which we have removed like this, and we will cover it. The whole heap will be covered with this. So we will keep it for 7 to 14 days. Then we look at the temperature which is generated inside the heap. The temperature will come up because we have mixed the greens and the dry, and then we will turn it. We will turn it. We will use some tools like the spade, and we will turn it, and then again we will cover it for another 14 days, and then again after next 14 days we will again turn it, and then after 14 days when we come to turn it, we will find this beautiful compost which we have made with all the resources we have in the jungle. So early morning when the dew or the frost is there, or the whole resources like the dry leaves and the green leaves are wet, and without cow dung and any animal manure, using the topsoil which is so much rich in the jungle. So this is a simple way how we can make a heap compost. If you want to learn more about this, join me in my Farm for Soul camping, 3 days camping we have, where we make you learn how to develop a food forest with all the resources which we have in the nature. So don't miss it. Follow my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page, Sprayed Annie, www.facebook/Sprayed Annie, and you can find the advertisement of when, after this pandemic, we are starting our next Farm for Soul camping, where you can be a part of it and come, put your hands on dirt and learn how to grow with nature. Thank you.